Welcome to a quick video on how to perform exploratory data analysis with SciPyR. First, navigate to the Analysis module and then select SciPyR. To start a new workbook, click on the New SciPyR Book button. Go ahead and give your workbook a name. You can also import your Jupyter notebook for analysis using the Upload option. Now let's get familiarized with the workbook. On the left side we have the Tasks panel. On the right side we have the Setup panel, with workbook name, the list of all installed packages and variables. Next to the Setup panel, there is an indicator displaying the Python kernel connection, along with option to restart the kernel, restart and run all cells and list of all shortcut keys. On the same panel, you can find the options to add new cell, choose between code and markdown options, and run cells. You can use the cell options to manage individual cells. Choose the markdown option to add description. Enter the description as markdown text, press Alt-Enter to add it, and double-click the cell to edit. Use the Task panel to navigate within or between cells. Import all your libraries and models, and add a new cell to import your data. Click on the Insert Query option to import data from the data source via a query. Convert the data into Pandas data frame for exploratory data analysis, and view all declared variables under the Setup panel. Click View PDF button to export the analysis as a PDF file. Thank you for watching.